Today I'm going to talk to you about the history, some new ideas, and the popularity of Gatorade. So, Gatorade was first invented by a group of researchers at the University of Florida. The assistant coach of football at Florida was wondering, they were doing their two-a-days, their long, hard practices in the middle of the summer. Why is everybody getting so dehydrated? People are getting heat stroke. You know, they're not getting enough electrolytes and vitamins in their body. So, some scientists at Florida invented a drink that tastes good and gives you these essential vitamins that you need. Gatorade really became popular, and the idea got bought by Stokely originally, and then it got bought by Quaker Oats. And Quaker Oats eventually got bought out by Pepsi. As you can see, they're both two of the major parts of Pepsi now. Okay, so I've talked to you a little bit about the history. Let's look at some of the new ideas of Gatorade. Gatorade has become very popular, so they got some very famous athletes to endorse them. Over here is Michael Jordan. It says "Be Like Mike," which is, in 1991 this originally came out, and it was a very popular ad at the time. This is Tiger Woods. He actually had his own drink they tried out for a while called Gatorade Tiger. Didn't really catch on, but still he endorses Gatorade. Okay, so they have this new thing. It's called Prime, Perform, and Recover. This is the Prime. It's what you drink before the game, and these are energy chews. Get you hyped up for the game. This is the Perform series. It's just the original Gatorade and G2, what you drink during the game practice. And then Recover is a drink, and there's also a protein shake for after games to get you back in shape. Okay, so now I've talked to you a little bit about the new ideas. Let's look at the popularity of Gatorade. The most popular flavor in the world is Glacier Freeze, light blue. It's also my favorite flavor. Second is Fruit Punch, and then Lemon Lime. Those are three very popular flavors. Also, originally back in the 80s and 90s, there was kind of a competition for the most popular sports drink. Nowadays, as we all know, it's by far Gatorade, followed by Powerade, and then third is vitamin water. This is called a Gatorade shower. A Gatorade shower was invented by the New York Giants football team in the 1980s. After a big win to clinch the division, they poured the bucket of Gatorade on their coach. It was ice cold. He wasn't happy. He didn't really understand why it was happening, and it still happens today. Okay, so I've talked to you a little bit about the history, some new ideas and popularity. Hopefully you've learned something. Gatorade is a deliciously nutritious way to quench your thirst and replenish your vitamins. So just remember to be like Mike and drink Gatorade.